What on earth was going through your mind? Were you trying to mislead the court? Were you trying to conduct trial by publicity? And may remind you, prosecution panel, in the rules of the impeachment court promulgated by the Senate, the senators are themselves prohibited from making public statements on the merits of the case. How dare you make allegations about personal attacks concerning senator judges? Pare-pareho tayong nasa politika. Huwag nyo kaming lukuhin dito. Nanggagaling yun sa inyo. In the same way that maybe the defense is also engaging in the same practice, let's say, in self-defense, in its kindest light. Kaya huwag na kayong magpapaggapang-gapan dyan. Irespeto nyo ang impeachment court. Huwag kayong mga atake personal. Malapit na talaga akong mag-privilege speech dito tungkol sa sub judice rule.